Well, time to put the water filters on today. The ones that clear all the rubbish out of the tap water. Standard mix of 3 except for the middle one. This one here, I put my own iron resin in there. I buy it in packets and I fill up a glass tube and drop it in. Why, you may ask? Well, I found that it not only helps take minerals out from the water and even the stuff they put in that say it's healthy for your teeth, takes that out as well. Also helps with the ammonia for some strange reason. And this is a Tulsin one. Anyway, you can read the label there. But I just put it into the middle filter and it seems to do its job. The only thing I'm always bothered about is every winter I take these off and I put them away in the shed. Then when I fetch them out again in the summer or the spring as it is now, I forget which end is the feed in and which is the end that feeds out. Now, it is reverse. So on most of these, the end is over here and the out is over here. Now, this one I took apart in the winter, cleaned it all out. The seals at the bottom inside are the ones to check because they can split. So I put new seals in and I put this back on again. Now I reversed it this time so that this is in and that end is out. Simple thing to do, it just unscrews apart and you can turn it over. I don't know if you can see the screws. I don't think you can. These things are heavy. I don't know why I don't make them of plastic. No, the screws are hidden underneath the screws are hidden underneath the, well, you can see where the screws do go there. You just undo them. You just undo them there and just reverse them. Simple as that. Anyway, we'll get that on today and we'll see how that goes for the first couple of weeks.